Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here to show you this 2019 NauticStar 251 Hybrid. This is a beautiful center console boat with the black powder coat top. And this does have the Yamaha 4-stroke 300 horse. Underwater lights, trim tabs. Let's go on the inside of the boat and check it out. Welcome to the inside of the boat. Again, like I said, this is the hybrid. So this does give you a little bit of both the fishing and pleasure cruise. Obviously you can see the seat is folded up here. If you just pull it down, and you can have it for fishing as well. Up here at the helm, we've got the nice Simrad system up here. Everything you need. We do have speakers up here, LED lighting, rod holders. There's a sink down in here. We've got some tackle storage on this side. We've also got some rod storage down in here. Then we come right in here. This is the head. Nice spacious head. We come to the bow of the boat. Again, nice for pleasure cruising. It's a nice backrest on this side that can be put away just like that one. This is a nice seat right in here, but it also underneath has the live well. There's a live well in the back of the boat as well. And being this is a 25-foot boat, this does have windlass, so that's a really nice feature for a boat of this size. Again, this is our nice hybrid NauticStar. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look.